If Arby's came out with a fishing worm, this would be it.
Perfect.
This is the curly fry of worms. Today, we're throwing the Osp Mmz Deka worm. It's Northern Strain style. Hit that like and subscribe. Let's go.
With a spinner in front and a skirt behind, a big bass setup gonna make her mine. Now she shimmies like a snake and she wiggles like a worm. For that little skirt his desire did burn. I'm a fishing man out on the lake. I got a boat full of tackle and a pole that'll never break.
There it is. There's the old curly fry. Old Medusa looking hair. Okay, the Deka is their biggest or longest worm out of the three. It's 12 inches when you unkink it. So let's look at this worm. It's 3.5 grams. And then it's got like an S bend right there, and it tapers down, and that's the tail end. And then there's the normal worm end where you'd rig it up on. You can Texas rig this, you can wacky rig it, you can Nico rig it, and you can throw it on a money jig head like I did. Upcast, money jig head, chartreuse all day, every day. Thread it up on there, hit it with a dab of glue. There's your setup. There we go. Oh, I lost my worm. Dang it. Gotta be showing them something different. Keep the bites going. Now, I like the idea behind this bait. It's super creative thinking. So what this bait is supposed to do in the water is just kind of like flow. So it's supposed to open up and then close back up, and you know, just kind of have like the curling motion. We can look from the underwater footage what this bait really did. This bait, if it didn't come flying off when the fish jumped out of the water or on your cast, it got tangled up around the hook. I mean, if this bait was designed to just wad up and get hung up around the hook, I got it hung. It didn't matter how I rigged it. If I rigged it wacky style, it got one of the ends would get hung up on the hook point. If I rigged it Nico, same thing. I lost both those worms right away. And they only come 3 in a pack. So then I rigged it up on the money jig head. And I mean, I was able to keep the worm on there. you know. But yeah, man. Smash or pass. It's a hard pass for me. I like the idea, but for just how much it got tangled up, I didn't care for it at all. And which is crazy because OSP has some of my favorite soft plastics of all time. But, you know, they all can't be a home run, you know. They all can't be a diamond. They've done put out enough diamonds. It's okay that they put out a dud. Back to backs.